It's breakfast burritos, bitch. It's 10 a.m, I'm hungry, there's a whole bunch of shit in the fridge that's about to go off, so let's make breakfast burritos. Passes the sniff test. It puts the lotion in the basket. Nearly off sausage, in. Pre-chopped onion from a different dish, in. 100% authentic Mexican flavors, in. Corn, in. Fried potatoes from last night's dinner that nobody ate, in. Chicken period, in. It's a hard chicken period. Frozen flatbread, in. Oops. Cheese, in. Tomato, in. Ooh, yeah. Also, how do people roll their burritos to get them to stay together? Sour cream, more hot sauce, buon appetito. Oh my God. Looks like shit, tastes like the opposite of shit. I will say it is slightly on the dry side. It definitely needs the sour cream and the sauce. Oops. This is the MVP. But the taste, the potatoes, correct. The spicy sausage, correct. The corn, the egg, double correct. Sour cream, correct. Cholula, the correctest of corrects.